Hello everyone, how are you all dear? And how about your studies? Am I visible and audible as well? Do let me know in the chat box. Yes. Okay guys, a wonderful good morning to all of you and once again a very warm welcome to your very own channel. Let's crack NEET UG in English. Myself Sharada Alok, I have been teaching chemistry at Resonance from past 10 years. How you can get connected to us? Let me tell you guys. First of all, what you have to do, go to Play Store, download the Unacademy learning app, and then just click on to NEET UG. Is that clear? Then just click on to NEET UG and go ahead for the subscription. Let me tell you guys the benefit of taking plus subscription, guys. First of all, before this, I just would like to tell you that there are two type of subscription you'll be finding over here. Yes, one is plus subscription and the other one is iconic subscription. Yes guys, is that very clear to you all? So what you'll be getting under plus subscription, let me tell you, but before that I would like to say good morning to Ikhlas Khan. Very good morning dear Ikhlas. Welcome to the channel and welcome to the class, because I think this is your first class, right? And how about your studies, which target you're looking for, NEET 2021 or 2022? You must be thinking, ma'am has showered the questions, isn't it? Yes, no worries. So happy to see all of you guys. Come on, do share the link of the video to all your friends who are in class 11 preparing for NEET 2021, 2022, and also preparing for yes, what? Also preparing for JMeans, Advanced Class 12 Improvement Board Examination, everything. Just share the link to all of them, guys. Okay, so guys, today we are going to study, in fact discuss reasoning questions, most important, some of the most important reasoning questions of surface chemistry. Hello Ikhlas Khan. He's asking, how are you ma'am? I'm all fine, busy with the class and also enjoying taking the class during Diwali vacation. And also one more thing guys, busy with Diwali celebration as well. And I hope you all guys must be busy with Diwali celebration. One should guys, but I would suggest you personally just study as well. In the morning, do study. All those guys who are watching me, I just want to tell you that Diwali basically is what? Basically a celebration. Like we generally go for the celebration in the evening, and lot of work is there in the morning, but for your parents, not for you. Yeah, you can help them in between, but rest of the time in the morning, at least try to study like all for 6 hours. At least try to study for 6 hours, guys, every day, even in Diwali vacation. Okay, guys. Then only we are going to, yes, enjoy the celebration. Not only Diwali, but also the result celebration. Yes, we will enjoy. We will have a grand celebration for result as well. Not only Diwali. All those who want to enjoy both the celebration, do study 6 hours in the morning and in evening. Please help your parents. Please enjoy Diwali. बहुत time है बेटा, उसके बाद भी 18 hours are left. Okay. If you, even if you go for 8 hours sleeping, 10 hours you can enjoy with the celebration part with your family and everyone. Okay, is that clear? Thank you all guys for wishing me happy Diwali. So happy Diwali to you all as well, guys. Come on, have a look at the screen. Okay, guys, have a look at the screen. So, two types of subscription we were talking about. The one is plus subscription, and the other one is iconic subscription. Guys, what are the features under plus subscription? Let me tell you. You will be taught by the top educators across the nation in live classes. Yes, you'll be having daily live classes where you can chat with your educator, engage in discussion, ask all your doubts, and answer in the polls. These polls are going to have questions related to the topic being taught on the screen, and all while the class is going on. Along with this, you'll be having live tests and quizzes. Guys, these are going to evaluate your preparation with regular mock tests and quizzes, and you are going to get a detailed analysis of your performance. All clear, guys? All clear? Come on. Have a look at the screen, guys. Along with all these, you'll be getting a proper structured course precisely designed for you all guys looking for target you are looking for. Yes, yes, guys. Everything is kept into mind before making this structured course, precisely designed by the top educators across the nation, so that your selection should be completely ensured. Okay, guys. Okay, come on, have a look at the screen. Unlimited access, guys, just by having one plus subscription you get unlimited access to all our live and recorded courses, which you can watch from the comfort of any of your devices you have. Okay, guys, is that clear? Come on, let's go ahead now then. The another type of subscription which I was just talking about is iconic subscription. Let me tell you the iconic features of iconic subscription, guys. No doubt it is definitely going to take your preparation, NEET UG preparation, to the next level with personal coach. Yes, guys, the top educators are going to be your personal coach. So along with the previous features, whatever you were supposed to get under plus subscription, you will also get top educators as your personal coach, where you are going to get a one-on-one guidance from top exam expert, guys. And come on, you'll be shared with a wonderful preparation strategy so that all fear for the examination goes away and you are completely ready for the examination you are preparing for. Along with this, you'll be getting an in-depth test analysis with personalized feedback, which is definitely going to improve your time management and exam approach. Yes. You'll also getting study planner, proper study planner. It is going to ace your preparation with customized study plan. You are going to get a bi-weekly review that is definitely going to highlight your progress. So all by having one iconic subscription, guys, you'll be getting live classes from top educator, mock test and quizzes, structured batch codes very much in line with the exam syllabus. Along with this, guys, you must be wondering whether to go for plus subscription or the iconic one. I'm repeating, you must be wondering whether to go for plus subscription or the iconic one. I just want to tell you whatever you were supposed to get under plus subscription, you'll be getting under iconic one as well. Along with these iconic features, whether you talk about personal code, study planner, expert guidelines, or in-depth test analysis, guys. So choice is all yours whether to go for plus subscription or the iconic one. Let me tell you how much you have to pay for iconic subscription. Guys, under iconic subscription, you can take subscription for 6 months, 12 months, or 24 months as per your need. Okay, for 6 months, you'll have to pay 38,000. For 12 months, you're supposed to pay 65,000. And for 24 months, you'll have to pay 1 lakh. But if you apply this referral code of mine, SA10, guys, you will have to pay only 34,200 for 6 months, 58,500 for 12 months, 90,000 for 24 months. Okay, and all these 6 months, 12 months, and 24 months subscription are also available at no cost EMI. So Bhiksha Sri is saying good morning. Very good morning, dear. How are you and how about your studies? Do let me know in the chat box. Okay, guys. Okay, is that very clear to you or not? Come on. S. Keshavan is today Diwali in North. Yes, it is. It is there, beta. Keshavan, first of all, welcome back to the class, and I would like to hear from your side. Where were you from past so many days? I could not see you, beta. What's wrong with you, or was everything all right? You were good. And how about your studies or tabiyat wagera sab sahi thi? I would like to hear from your side. Okay, guys, have a look at screen. For plus subscription, you can see variety of subscription, whether you talk about 1 month, 3 months, 6 months, 12 months, 24 months. Okay, guys, you'll be getting variety of subscription. For 1 month, let me tell you how much you have to pay. 7,000. 7,000 you have to pay for 1 month. For 3 months, you're supposed to pay 17,500. And for 6 months, you'll have to pay 28,000. For 12 months, you'll have to pay 38,500. And for 24 months, you'll have to pay 56,000. But again, if you apply this referral code of mine, yes, guys, you will have to pay much lesser. Yes, guys, for 1 month, this comes out to be 6,300. You'll have to pay only 6,300 for 1 month, 15,750 for 3 months, 25,200 for 6 months, 34,650 for 12 months, 50,400 for 2 years. Is that clear? And all these 6 months, 12 months, and 24-month subscription are available at no cost EMI as well. So don't forget to apply this referral code of mine SA10, guys. Case 1. His one is asking, ma'am, you teach all the chapter. I could not complete it yet, so I can't join. Okay, okay. He is saying, which batch you are in? Are you in class 11 then? Am I right, beta? Do reply in the chat box. Then we'll have a discussion over it. By the time all those guys who are watching this, first of all, please share the link of the video to all your friends who are preparing for NEET 2021 2022 J Mains Advanced Board Examination KVPY or planning for improvement in their board examination. Secondly, if you have not liked the video so far, do so. And then what? Please subscribe the channel if you have not done so, and to press the bell icon in order to have further notification. Okay guys, let us study, for which we all are gathered over here. Come on. But before I start with the first question, I would like to tell you all to take a pen and copy in your hand, all your eyes on the screen, and ensure yourself that you are not getting disturbed by anything around you. Please sit in that corner of your house where you are not getting disturbed. Is that clear by anyone? All clear? Come on. Come on, mama is going to trust you. Mama is going to trust you. Wherever you are going to sit, mama will tell, yes, mera bacha pad raha hai. Don't worry. Okay, but yes, you should also be honest. Yeah. Okay, guys, have a look at the screen. We are going to discuss reasoning questions of surface chemistry. Yes, we are going to have adsorption, desorption, and gas molecule activated charcoal. So many things. As long as surface chemistry are there, we are going to have discussion of all this. Don't worry. Let's start with the first question. What are micelles? Guys, you must have found this micelles. You must have observed this micelles while making the soap solution, isn't it? Today we are going to discuss it as well. What is this micelles, guys? First of all, I just want to tell you one thing. Whenever soaps are basically what they are, when they are soaps are basically they're sodium salts of higher fatty acid. Done. Come on. If they are higher sodium salts of higher fatty acid, how do we represent them? We are going to represent them RCOO minus Na plus. Is that clear? That means, guys, they are what? This is sodium salt of higher fatty acid. Where, guys, this R is basically what? The value of R is going to be very higher. That is the meaning of higher fatty acid. Let me tell you what is the value. Approximately, what is the general value we take? Guys. R is 15. I mean, carbon is 15 when we take sodium palmitate. Sodium palmitate, the name of the sodium salt of higher fatty acid, or in other words, soap. Palmitate. How to recall this? Let me tell you. That's what this carbon atom will be 15. How much? What is a carbon atom? 15. C15H31 COONA. How to recall this? Tell 15 in Hindi. Tell 15 in Hindi. Pandra. Yes, guys, Pandra. You must be wondering, Pandra, right? You must be wondering, ma'am, आज क्या करवा रही है सुबह सुबह 15-16 क्या करवा रही है? Yes, I have to, dear. P for 15 and P for palmitic acid. Palmitic acid, guys. Yes. What is palmitic acid? C15H31 COOH. All clear, guys? All clear? Yes. Is that clear? Come on, have a look at the screen now. The another one is sodium stearate. Another soap is sodium stearate. Sir say 17. Must be funny, isn't it? सुबह सुबह मैम को क्या हो गया है? 17. Right, guys? So C will be 17. Take C as 17. H35 COONA. This is what? Sodium stearate. And stearic acid is what, guys? This is stearic acid. Simply put on the value. There is a general formula. Yes, Asif Khan is saying, hello, ma'am. Welcome back to the class. How are you, Asif? Do reply in the chat box. Guys, there is a general formula of carboxylic acid. What's that? CnH2n plus 1 COOH. Simply, if N is 15, if N is 15, it is palmitic acid. If N is 17, it is stearic acid. पर से 15 पर से palmitic 100 से 17 100 से stearic. ओके ओके, ये नया हिंदी है, नया इंग्लिश है, different English. This is chemistry Hindi, chemistry English. Okay, guys, must be wondering, आज तो ma'am is all in a mood to make a lot of fun. Not at all, guys. I just wanted to make you learn it in an easier way. Okay, guys, in a funny way, of course. Asif is saying, hello, ma'am, how are you? I'm all fine, beta. I'm all fine. What about your studies and all your eyes on the screen? Take a pen and copy in your hand. All those who are watching, you have not taken the pen and copy in your hand, please do so. If you have not liked the video, please do so. If you have not shared the video, please do so. All those who are watching but not subscribed the channel so far, please do so. All those who are watching but not press the bell icon so far, please do so. Okay, guys, have a look at the screen now. Come on. So guys, so it is all very clear. These are what? These are sodium salts of higher fatty acid. What? So, okay. Ayush Das 30 is saying, Beta koi good morning nahi kuch nahi seedha. Ma'am, where are you from, ma'am? I'm from Bhopal, India. Okay, beta, welcome to the class. First of all, Ayush Das, welcome to the class. Okay, beta, do let me know in the chat box what else you want me to know about. What else you want to know about me? Okay, guys, come on, have a look at the screen. Let me clear the screen for a while. Okay, guys, now. So how come all these soaps and everything are related to missile? You must be wondering if you don't know anything about it. Let me tell you. Good morning, beta. Good morning. Ayush Das, good morning. Okay, beta, have a look at the screen. So, guys, what happens when this soap get dissolved or get mixed with water? We always do what? How do we use soap? Tell me. We just wet our hand and then we scrub the soap over there. Do we? Yes. Why? Let me tell you. Guys, on dissolving the soap with water, what happens? Soaps are what? Yeah, sodium salts of higher fatty acid. Come on. So on dissolve. Acha, one more thing. How do you represent the soap? What is the general formula? C15 or C17. That is what? And what is what, guys? आयुष दास बेटा कितनी बार गुड मॉर्निंग करोगे? गुस्सा हो गए क्या? नहीं, बस एक बार बहुत है बेटा. मेरा कहना है लाइक समझ जाओ, बस. ओके, वेल डन. आयुष दास को याद भी हो गया. वेल डन. Okay, guys, have a look at the screen. So that R is what? Basically what? Alkyl chain, guys. So we represent this with a zigzag line, bond line kind of. Yes. So this is the general formula. I mean general representation of the soap, right? This is minus, that is Na plus. This is the soap where COO minus, all good. Ayush Dash, ab maza aa raha hai. You're answering in the chat box. Well done. All those who are watching, please answer in the chat box. Then only you are going to learn. You're going to get most out of the live video. Okay, guys, come on, have a look at the screen. Once it is dissolved in water, guys, what do we absorb? Yes, this is aqueous. Guys, aqueous, the general representation of salt on dissolution in water. And this one is Na plus aqueous. Or you can say soap solution because of this, guys. Because of this, soap solutions are alkaline in nature. Basic pH is more than 7 pH. Alkaline in nature. All clear, guys? All clear? Therefore, nowadays soap is replaced by different face washes, guys, so that the pH can be reduced towards, I mean, just slightly more than this neutral pH, 7 point something. so that it should not have an abrasive action on your skin. Okay guys, but that is not the part which we are going to emphasize in this class. Let me tell you what I have to take you to missile. Let me explain you that. Okay, so guys, this particular one is very very easy to remember. I mean, very easy to understand that it has got two type of end, isn't it? This one is the head part. So what do we call this? Polar head. And this one is the tail part, which is non-polar tail. All clear, guys? Now, this non-polar tail is what it is. It is non-polar tail, guys. This is non-polar tail. It is hydrophobic in nature. Is that clear? Hydrophobic in nature, which is water repellent, और non-polar part is hydrophobic in nature or water repellent. Phobia है किससे? Water से. Hydrophobic, phobia from water. All done. अभी ठंड में हम लोगों को भी होता है थोड़ा थोड़ा. Isn't it? You all must be, most of you must be agreed. Isn't it? Phobia, hydrophobia. Correct. Just joking, beta. Okay, have a look at the screen now. This head part is what? Polar head part, which is actually what? Hydrophilic group. What's that? Hydrophilic group. All clear, beta? Ayush Das is saying, ma'am, please start a series in inorganic chemistry. Beta, beta, beta. I have actually since from morning, since from not this morning, since so long. I have been taking physical chemistry, organic chemistry, inorganic chemistry in a series only. For example, yes, all the topics are taking a parallel series, you can say. Yeah. Okay. Ayush, please do one thing. It seems you have not subscribed the channel so far. Let's crack NEET UG in English. Do subscribe. You'll get a playlist of all the video first of all. Or do one thing. Go to the description box below this video. You will get a link of all my video over there where you can watch of them. Those which have already been come over there. And whatever doubt you have, please ask all those doubts once you watch those videos. And like one by one, jot down your doubts. If you have any doubt watching those video, we are going to discuss those doubts. Is that clear, Ayush? Ayush is saying, ma'am, subscribe now. Well done. Well done, beta. Composed of Acha. Ayush is answering as well. So many questions, beta. Answer bhi kar rahe ho, question bhi kar rahe ho. Really love you. Really love you. This is really extremely good of you. Okay. I want the same from all of you guys who are watching. Please participate in the live classes by answering, by giving something, whatever you know, whatever you have understood, or if you have any doubt related to what is being taught on the screen, you're going to get most out of it only then. Okay guys, have a look at the screen now. So this soap molecule on dissolution in water, we can see that it has two parts. One is head, the other one is tail. The head one is what? Hydrophilic group, because negatively charged polar, it is going to attract that polar molecule, that is what? Water. So hydrophilic, water is a what? Water is a polar solvent. All clear guys? All clear now. The tail part is hydrophobic. All clear now. Now what we have to see over here is, have a look here guys. Because of this guys, because this particular tail is hydrophobic in nature, so all the tail are arranged like this inside, whereas the hydrophilic group, which is what? Attracted by the polar solvent, which is negatively charged guys, will come on the surface, and all the hydrophobic end or the tail of the soap molecule will try to go inside, and this collection, you can say this aggregation of soap molecule, is actually called as, this aggregated form is actually called as micelle. One thing. Secondary guys, secondary, which is really important to know, that see, all the head are negatively charged. All the heads are negatively charged, therefore they will simply over there, but they are not going to touch each other. All clear? But the other end, which is hydrophobic, or you can say which is lyophilic part, non-polar part, is actually attracting each other. Okay, so suppose these are each soap molecule. Okay, this part of different soap molecule is holded together, but this part is repelling, so it is going to have a spherical appearance. which is actually called as missile. All clear, beta? All clear? Is that clear? Now, guys, I just want to tell you one important thing over here, that this missile is actually given a proper term which is called as CMC, not the Medical College of Vellore, but what does the CMC stands for? The CMC stands for critical missile concentration. Critical missile concentration. Okay, guys, it is what? Critical missile concentration is minimum concentration required to form missile. All clear? Not missile Obama. Yes, guys, is that clear? Clear? Are you getting this? Okay, are you getting this? It is a minimum concentration required to form the missile. सीधी सी बात है, like this has to appear a spherical ball kind of structure. So it will do need minimum number of soap molecules so that the missile can be formed. That minimum concentration is actually called as critical missile concentration. And one of the very, very important thing which is required to be discussed over here, what's that, guys? Craft temperature. Let me tell you. Craft temperature. What's this craft temperature, guys? Craft temperature is a minimum temperature at which formation of missile take place. I'm repeating. It is a minimum temperature at which formation of missile start forming. Okay, just starts. Craft temperature. The minimum temperature at which formation of missile just starts. Done. Come on, guys, have a look at the screen now. So this is very, very clear. What is missile? What is critical missile concentration? How does it form? At what temperature does it form? Come on, guys. Missile formation. Okay, guys. You can see one end is lyophilic part and the other one is lyophobic. That long carbon chain is lyophobic one. Okay, clumping of hydrocarbon parts together. This is how, because they are all lyophilic, hydrophobic but lyophilic. Remember, this part is hydrophobic. वाटर से तो फोबिया है, बट लायोफिलिक पार्ट होता है ये. Come on. Okay, guys, non-polar से इसको attraction है. That is lyophilic. All clear, guys. All clear. Let us see how does this cleansing action of soap take place. Before that, I would like to read the messages of Ayush Das. Ma'am, critical concentration means what? Ayush Das, ma'am, critical micelle concentration means what? Ayush Das, is that clear? Critical micelle concentration, madam? Is that clear? Do reply in the chat box by the time I'm going to explain the cleansing action of soap. All you guys, please have a look at the screen. Okay, I'm going to explain it in a proper flow chart. Okay, guys, come on. Come on, guys. Let me change the color of the pen. Guys, suppose this is the fabric of your clothes. Okay, this is the fabric. All done? Come on. Now suppose this is the dirt entangled over here. This is the dirt. This is the dirt, right? This yellow one is the fabric. All clear, guys? Now, dirts are entangled in the fabric. Clear? Now, let us see how these are cleansed further. Clear, guys? Come on. Have a look at the screen. By the time, let me read the messages. Shrija. Thank you, ma'am. Nice explanation. Good morning, Priyanka. Hello, Priyanka. How are you? Srija, how are you? Have a look at the screen, all of you. I'm going to explain how does the cleansing action of soap do take place. Okay, guys. Now this fabric containing the dirt is dipped into Soap solution. It is dipped into what? Soap solution, guys. All clear? All clear? This is the soap solution, guys, which is filled with what? Missiles. Lot of the missiles are there. All clear? Okay, Ayush Das is saying thank you, ma'am. Ayush Son Kusare. Good morning, beta ji. How are you, Ayush Kusare? Son Kusare, how are you? All you guys do have a look at the screen, and if you have any doubt, do write in the chat box. Okay, guys. Now this fabric is dipped into soap solution, which is having missile. Okay, guys. Now what happens as this inner part, guys, inner part is lyophilic. Lyophilic. What it does, basically, always remember all this dirt are very, very greasy in nature. Why? Because, guys, when we sweat, this oil also comes out of our body. Okay, okay, guys. And you must have observed all those school uniform where you wear white shirts. Most of your school uniform, most of you must be having your school uniform as white, right? What happened? We always apply air on our hair. I mean, oil on our hair, right? Oil on hair. Now those oil, extra oil, they that flows down over here gradually, slowly. Okay, so they get accumulated at this portion of our neck. Okay, this portion of our neck, and that is in touch with the collar. Air also have dust. Some dust is coming from your hair as well, which is moving down along with the oil. All those get stuck to the fabric of the collar over there. That is the reason. That is the reason, in comparison to other part of the shirt, that collar part is really dirty. You all will be agreed to that. Okay, because of that, guys, because what, dirt is there, and a greasy part, that grease is coming from the skin also, and it is also coming from the oil you have put on your head. All clear, guys? All clear? Now that dirt gets stuck to the collar. Is that clear? That dirt get stuck to the collar. Come on. Okay, okay, guys, exactly. So all these dirt are greasy in nature, or you can say these dirts have what? Lipid, oil part. These dirts have what? Oily part, lipid part. Clear? And the soap molecule, the inner part of the missile, is also what? Lyophilic. Okay, guys. So what happens? What happens? Let us make the fabric again. So this, yes, guys, this, when you dissolve this, when you dip the dirty fabric, okay, containing the dirt in the soap solution containing missile, guys, what happened? Okay, that is the dirt is this. Let me draw the dirt as well, guys. Okay, now let me draw the missile part. The missile part, let me change the color to what? Let us take it red. Okay, guys, so this is the missile part, negative charge. This particular one is the lyophilic end. So it is going to get attached to the oily part, or the dirt, greasy dirt. That greasy dirt, the oil of the dirt, it gets attached to that. This is the oily part, guys. So what it does, guys. So all the dust particle, they get attached to this part of the soap. Okay, okay, guys, is that clear? Is that clear? Is that clear, guys? This dirt part, which is having grease, oil, so this lyophilic end of the soap gets attached, or you can say get a hold of the what gets a hold of what, guys? A hold of the dirt particle, all these missile, and more the missile, more such dirt will get holded up by the missile of the soap. Is that clear? Is that clear, guys? Are you getting? Are you getting this? This is missile which are actually holding the dirt particle. Meenu Jaswani ji. Welcome to the class, Meenu Jaswani. Okay, guys. So they get hold, and when this is given a jerk, when this is given a jerk, when this is given a jerk, what happens? This gets broken down. This gets broken down. This gets broken down. Okay. Soon what happens? This missile gets broken down, holding the dirt particle with it. Okay, guys. Then what happens? Let me draw the dirt also. Hello, Meenu Jaswani. Beta, how are you, dear? All those who are watching, do like the video, do share the video if you have not done so. So, guys, what will happen? This missile will break in. The more the jerk, more will be the breaking of the missile into smaller part. Okay. So this missile is getting broken down into different parts. Is that clear? So what will happen? Soon it is going to surrounded by other soap molecule, and other missile will form. So this is how you can see very small size of missile will be formed, and all of them are going to take hold of the dirt. Is that clear? See, this is one missile. Is that clear? Is that clear, guys? Come on. Now this particular one, again this part of the missile will get surrounded by another part. Okay. So you can say this one missile is broken down into smaller different missile. All of them are going to take a proper hold of the dirt. And what is going to happen? When this fabric containing this missile is rinsed with water, rinsed with water, what will happen, guys? This missile which is actually which has holded the dirt particle will leave the fabric. Okay, guys, will leave the fabric dirt free. Now this is the fabric which is dirt free, and guys, the missile, this is the missile. This is the missile which is having a hold of what? Which is having a hold of dirt. This is the dirt. Let me take the eraser over here. This is the dirt, okay, holded by missile. All clear, guys? So this is how dirt gets freed from the fabric. All clear, guys? So this is how the cleansing action of soap do take place. Have a look at the screen. All those who have not liked the video so far, do so. If you have not subscribed the channel or share the video or press the bell icon so far, do so. Come on, guys, let us go ahead. Is this clear, guys? Is this clear? Come on. Now the next one is, why is adsorption always exothermic? Come on, guys, this is a very, very important question. Why adsorption is always an exothermic? Why adsorption is always exothermic? Okay, guys, let me tell you, guys, always remember that delta heat of adsorption is always negative. Delta H of adsorption is always negative. Let us see how. How, guys? See, what is the equation? Gibbs Helmholtz equation says that delta G free energy is equal to enthalpy minus T delta S. All clear, guys? All clear? So guys, this is what this has to be negative in order to make delta G as negative. Why? Let us study all that. By the time all those who are watching, if you have not liked the video so far, do so, guys. Whether you talk about physical adsorption or chemical adsorption, guys, what happens? The substrate molecule get adsorbed on the surface of adsorbent, and during this process, whether you talk about physical absorption, whether simply they are adhered to the surface, or you talk about chemisorption, whether they do involve in a formation of bonding, guys, what actually happens over there, guys? The entropy is decreasing, guys. I'm repeating. In such case, guys, the entropy is decreasing. Entropy is decreasing. All clear, guys? Entropy is decreasing. So what happens due to that? Due to this, you can say, guys, entropy is decreasing means delta S is negative. I'm repeating, delta S is negative. Delta S is negative, guys. And for a spontaneous reaction, guys, spontaneous process, delta G should be negative. Okay, guys, this is negative, this should be negative, guys. So when it is going to be possible, guys, if this is negative, this is minus T delta, is the product will always be what? Positive. It will be always positive. Now, guys, delta G should be negative. In that case, this value has to be higher. There has to be higher and has to be negative as well. So it has to be negatively higher. What is the meaning of that? It should be more exothermic. It should be more exothermic. Okay, guys, for exothermic, we take delta H as negative. It should be negatively higher means it should be very, very highly exothermic. In such a case that the delta H value should be greater than equal to T delta S, because this is positive, guys. This is positive. This one is what? This one is negative. This should be more than d delta S. Then only the value delta H minus T delta S, delta H minus T delta S will be what? This will be negative. All clear, guys? All clear? Let us go ahead then. Now the next one, guys. Next one, have a look at the screen. Delta H of adsorption. Delta H of adsorption is always negative. Yes, the movement of a gas, just now we had seen, guys, the movement of a gas is restricted when it is adsorbed on a solid surface. What happens to entropy? It decreases. This leads to a decrease in entropy of the gas. That is, delta S is negative. Come on, it is clear. Now, for a process to be spontaneous, delta G should be, yes, negative. So, guys, delta S is negative, delta H should also be negative. Why? Why? So that delta G can be negative. Hence, adsorption is always exothermic. So guys, this is actually very very important, because most of the time we always take entropy to be positive. Remember, there are very few examples where entropy is negative, and this is one of those example. So we very particular such type of questions are asked. Give example where entropy are negative. Okay guys, for most of the cases delta S is taken to be positive, but there are certain cases including this one on the screen where entropy is negative. All clear guys? All clear? Come on. Why is desorption important for a substance to act as a good catalyst? Okay, why is desorption important for a substance to act as a good catalyst, guys? Let us consider what is catalysis, guys. Let us consider what is catalysis. Guys, a catalyst is one which enhance the rate of reaction or decrease the rate of reaction. Or in other words, the exact definition of a catalyst is these are those substances which alter the rate of reaction. They may increase, they may decrease. Okay, guys. For example, this hydrogenation it get increased by nickel surface. Yes, nickel powder you can say. Whereas, guys, decomposition of hydrogen peroxide gets decreased by glycerine. So their glycerine acts as a negative catalyst, whereas nickel and hydrogenation act as a positive catalyst. Okay, guys. So catalysts do alter the rate of reaction, but itself they remain as it is. Okay, guys. Okay, is that clear, guys? Now, what is happening here, guys? What is happening? Catalyst gets bonded, get like all the substance will, suppose we talk about reaction between A and B, guys, and this is the catalyst. First of all, catalyst will bring them closer on its surface, or you can say A and B reactant are going to get adsorbed on the surface of catalyst as it is shown on the screen. Okay guys, okay, is that clear? All those who are watching, if you have not liked the video, don't wait, please like the video. Do share the video, guys. Okay, and all those who are watching this channel for the first time have not subscribed it so far, do so. If you have not pressed the bell icon so far, do so. Come on, guys. Is it very very clear from here that A and B get adsorbed on the surface of catalyst? All done, guys, all done. Now A and B are basically reactant. Clear? And because they are adsorbed on the surface, they both of them react with each other easily, guys. Is that clear? And the reaction takes place, guys. Okay, so A and B gets converted into P, that is what product on its surface. Is that clear? Now guys, for other reactant to get adsorbed on the surface of catalyst, this product P has to get dissolved. Is that clear? This product P has to get dissolved. Is that clear? Then only the new reactant A and B will get able to adsorb on its surface. Is that clear? Is that clear, guys? Are you getting this? Are you getting this properly or not? Okay, then only the product will get adsorbed by this. Is that clear? So that new A and B can come on its surface and the new reaction should take place. Is that clear, guys? Is that clear, guys? Are you getting it? Come on. Come on, have a look at the screen. So this is all basically called as catalysis cycle. What do we call this? We call it as catalysis cycle. Anuja Soni is saying, yes, ma'am. So nice of you, Anuja. First of all, welcome to the class, beta. Come on. Catalysis cycle. What do we call this? Catalysis cycle. This cycle has to continue in order for more reaction to occur. If product is not going to dissolve from the surface, the reaction will stop because no new A and B will able to adsorb on its surface. One more thing, guys. One more thing. All those who are watching, do like the video if you have not done so. Come on, guys. What is the role of a catalyst, guys? This is the reactant. Okay, the red one is the reactant, guys. I mean the path which is uncatalyzed, guys. So it is very very easy to see from here that when no catalyst is used, guys, whereas there is very high activation energy, very high activation energy. All clear, guys? In absence of the catalyst, in absence of the catalyst, guys, what happens? In absence of the catalyst, the activation energy is very very high, whereas this blue is a catalyzed pathway. You can see the activation energy. Suppose this is 1, this activation energy 2. Guys, activation energy 2 is much less than activation energy 1. Okay, so in presence of a catalyst, the activation energy gets decreased. And less the activation energy, more and more reactant will pass through that energy barrier, guys, and will form the product. Okay, okay, guys. Thank you, Anuja. Welcome, beta. So nice of you. Thank you so much, beta. Have a look at the screen. So the role of catalyst is to decrease the activation energy, guys. All that clear, guys? All is clear. Okay, desorption is also clear. Come on, let us go ahead now. Flow chart of heterogeneous catalysis, guys. Let us discuss how this all heterogeneous catalysis do take place. Okay, guys, first of all, just now we had seen the cycle over there. Okay, guys, let us take the example in which we can take this C2H4, which has a double bond, guys, plus H2. In presence of nickel catalyst, we get C3H6. Is that clear, guys? Is that clear? Come on. What actually happens over there? Okay, guys, this is what this ethene molecule get dissolved on the surface of nickel. Suppose this is nickel surface, guys. And remember, nickel should be taken in a powdered form so that to have more surface area. In such a way, case, more and more ethene molecule will able to dissolve on the surface of nickel. Is that clear? And more nickel will get, I mean, more of the nickel particle, more adsorption of ethene molecule, more will be the reaction of that with hydrogen, and far, like more the product. Okay, guys, is that clear? This will be C3. Sorry, guys, sorry. This will be C2H6. Sorry. Okay, guys, have a look here at the screen now. Guys, what actually happens over here? This gets, first of all, H2 gets absorbed on the surface, guys, like this. Okay, H2 gets adsorbed, guys, which is called as physical adsorption, physisorption, all done. A gas is getting adsorbed on the surface of nickel. Okay, guys. Okay, is that clear? Now, soon after that, chemisorption. That is, there is a bonding formed between hydrogen and nickel, guys. Soon after that, chemisorption take place. All clear, guys? All clear, which results into proper bond. And due to that, you know what happens? Suppose this is nickel. This is nickel, guys. The bond formation over here do take place. And this particular bond gets strained up. यहाँ पे strain होता है. This gets strained up. All clear? Due to this strain, the hydrogen bonding between the hydrogen molecule gets broken down, and both the hydrogen atom get absorbed on the surface of nickel. All clear, guys? All clear? Now after that, what happens? After that, guys, diffusion of C2H4 takes place on this surface. Is that clear? On this surface, let us see how does it look like. This is nickel. The hydrogen bond is almost weakened properly. Okay, guys. Now on this surface, guys, C2H4 will come and will get adsorbed. Is that clear? CH2. This will get adsorbed over here. Okay, the pi bond will get weaken up further because that is weaker, so it will get weaken up further. And again, you can say that chemisorption will take place here because chemical bonding is breaking and new bonds are forming. Chemisorption, guys, come on, is that clear? After that, what will happen? What will happen, guys? This bond, this nickel will leave the surface of hydrogen. All that clear? Is that clear, guys? You can say this is actually the intermediate stage where ethene, hydrogen, and I mean nickel catalyst all are present together, which is basically called as activated intermediate formation. This is activated intermediate complex, guys. Okay, is that clear? After chemisorption. Now what happens, guys? Ethene is formed on the surface like this, still adsorbed on the surface of nickel. As I told you, this desorption must be there, guys. So this undergo desorption. All clear? This undergo desorption. Is this clear? This will undergo desorption and the product will be formed. Okay, leaving free nickel surface so that more and more ethene and hydrogen can get adsorbed on the surface of that and more product can be formed. Is that clear? Hello, Michael Jackson. Welcome back to the class. All those who are watching, if you have not liked the video so far, do so, guys. If you have not shared the video so far, do so, guys. Do so. Come on, have a look at the screen. Which of the following will show Tyndall effect, guys? Which of the following will show Tyndall effect? Guys. Colloidal solution. They have a characteristic property of showing Tyndall effect. What's that? The scattering of light. When light passes, this is the torch. Guys, there are two solutions. This is simple solution and this one is the colloidal one. Colloidal particles are big enough. The particle size is big enough so that they can reflect the light, and such reflection basically scatters the light, and such scattering of light is called as Tyndall effect. It is a characteristic property of colloidal solution, guys. So colloidal solution must have a minimum concentration. What is that? Guys, that is called as critical missile concentration. So aqueous solution of soap, because only above critical missile concentration aqueous solution forms missile. Basically they act as colloids. Okay, guys, therefore the correct answer is B. Aqueous solution of soap above critical missile concentration is going to show Tyndall effect. All clear, guys? What is critical missile concentration? The minimum concentration of surfactant above which missile form, and all additional surfactants added to the system will form missile. Guys, surfactant is a substance which is used to decrease the surface tension. Decrease the surface tension of solvent. Generally, majorly we talk with respect to water. Okay, guys, so that water can have a proper cleansing action, isn't it, guys? So it is all clear that colloidal solution have a characteristics property to show Tyndall effect, guys. An aqueous solution of soap should have a critical missile concentration, the minimum concentration, because only above that it is going to act as a colloid, guys. All clear, guys? Come on, guys, this must have been heard by you. Gold number. Come on, this is not at all related to the jewelry at all. Is that clear, guys? Gold hair, but no jewelry. Yes, guys, this gold number is basically uninteresting and commonly and frequently asked questions, whether you talk about NEET or you talk about board examination or you talk about J mains. Okay, guys, gold number. And yes, in like a paragraph question, gold number can be there in advanced as well, guys. So don't take it easily. Come on, guys. Gold number. Have a look at the screen, guys. What is gold number? What is gold number? Hello Michael Jackson. क्या हुआ बेटा आपको बताओ ये मीनू क्या है Michael Jackson? Please let me know in the chat box. हो क्या गया बच्चा आपको? Come on, all those who are watching, if you have not liked the video so far, do like the video, do share the video. Have a look at the screen. Gold number. Basically, guys, gold number is a term used in colloidal chemistry. It is defined as minimum amount of protective colloid in milligram, which change the color from red to violet. Minimum amount of protective colloid in milligram. Remember, milligram units are very important, guys. It is defined as the minimum amount of protective colloid in milligram, which changes the color from red to violet of 10 milliliter gold solution by addition of 1 ml 10% NaCl solution. फिर से बोल रही हूँ, I'm repeating it again. Have a look at the screen now. Guys, it is minimum amount of protective colloid in milligram, which change the color from red to violet of 10 milliliter gold solution by addition of 1 ml of 10% NaCl solution. I'm going to explain it in a easier way now. Have a look at the screen. Suppose, guys, basically what you have taken a test tube, all clear. Now what do you have to do? Take 10 ml gold sol in that. Take 10 ml of gold sol in that. To this add 1 ml NaCl solution. Okay. What actually happens, guys? Actually happens? Generally, because this is an electrolyte, guys. Okay, this is an electrolyte. It will get precipitated. Is that clear? From red to violet. All done. So what is gold number? Let us see that, guys. Let us see. Okay, in order to prevent this, guys, what is done? What is done, guys? This gold sol is mixed with a lyophilic sol. Gold sol is mixed with a lyophilic sol. That actually does what? It makes a protective layer on this lyophilic sol makes a protective layer on the surface of gold soil. Okay. Then after adding 1 ml of 10% NaCl solution, there will not be any color change. Is that clear? Is that clear? That means this lyophilic sol has prevented the gold sol, okay, from reacting with NaCl solution. Okay, guys. So the weight of this lyophilic sol in milligram, which is sufficient enough to prevent the color change of 10 ml of gold sol, is actually called as the gold number. I'm repeating the definition again. Now I hope you are getting it. It is defined as the minimum amount of protective colloid in milligram, which prevents the color change from red to violet. Kiska of 10 ml gold solution on addition of 1 ml of 10% NaCl solution. Is that clear, guys? Aaya samajh mein? This will become even easier when we will solve the numericals based on it. Okay, but before that, the question, let us discuss all the questions which have been asked so far. So one amongst them is there on the screen, guys, which has least gold number. Which has least gold number? Gelatin, starch, albumin, or blood. Let us see how this is calculated, guys. Let us see. Guys, gold number is basically what? Just now we had seen in the terms of formula how gold number will be written as. Gold number is actually weight of lyophilic salt. In which unit? In milligram. Weight of lyophilic salt in milligram multiplied by 10 upon volume of gold salt in ml. Why this 10? Because for 10 ml, whatever the milligram of lyophilic salt is added is called as the gold number. Okay, so for any different volume, how will you find out the gold number? This is the formula. For 10 ml this, for given ml of the solution, this. Okay, we are going to make it more clear, don't worry. So this is the formula. Keep the formula in your mind and always remember, guys, always remember protective power of lyophilic salt. Protective power of lyophilic salt is actually inversely proportional to gold number. That is very, very easy from here, that more the gold number, less the protective power, and less the gold number, better is the protective power, or more is the protective power. Is that clear? It is very, very simple from here, guys. More the lyophilic salt, more amount of lyophilic salt will be required. Yes, yes, yes. What is the meaning of that? What is the meaning of this, guys? What is the meaning? Protective power of lyophilic salt is best if least is the gold number. All clear, guys? Let us have a chart over here, guys. The chart is there. Gelatin. The gold number of gelatin is 0.0052 to 0.01. Okay. Or egg albumin is more. Gum arabic is even more. Potato starch is even more. That means the gold number of potato starch is very, very high over here. So its protective power will be very, very less. Is that clear, guys? In other words, less the amount of gelatin is used to protect the gold salt. That means its protective power is very, very high. So out of the all, guys, always remember gelatin. Gelatin is having the least gold number, or gelatin is having highest what? Protective power. So G for gelatin, G for good. What? Good, good protective salt. Okay, guys. G for gelatin, G for good protective salt. All clear, guys. Let us make it even clear with numericals, guys. Let us have the first question on the screen. By that time, all those who are watching, if you have not liked the video so far, do like, guys, do like, do share, do subscribe, do press the bell icon if you have not done so. And all those who are watching, do reply in the chat box. The question is there on the screen. Solve this and do reply in the chat box. Let us read the question, guys. Let me take a yellow pen, guys. 50 ml of standard gold salt needs 0.05 milligram of gelatin from coagulation. Okay, guys, calculate gold number of gelatin. Guys, it is very, very easy. How come? See, 50 ml of gold salt, guys. Gold salt is requiring how much? Is requiring 0.05 milligram of gelatin. And we know that for 10 ml, whatever milligram of lyophilic salt will be required will be the gold number. Simply find it out. 10 ml will be requiring 0.05 upon 50. Simple unitary method, solve it by that. Into 10. All clear, guys? This is what? 5 and this is what? 0.01. All clear, guys? So 0.01 milligram of gelatin is going to be required for what? For preventing 50 ml of gold salt coagulation. Is that clear? Precipitation, you can say. Is that clear? So the gold number here is coming out to be 0.01. All clear, guys? All clear? Simple, eh? Come on, let us discuss one more question. The coagulation of 100 ml of gold solution is completely prevented by adding 0.25 gram of starch. Remember the units. Guys, we want the unit to be in milligram. Remember, don't do the mistake. Otherwise, your question is going to be wrong. All those who are watching, do like the video. Come on, if you have not done so. So, guys, let us solve this. For 100 ml, how much milligram is required? First of all, find out that. Okay, guys, this is going to be fixed always. 10 ml of 1% NaCl solution. Yeah, 10 ml, like 1% NaCl solution, that is not going to make a much difference. Always remember. Okay, guys, let us have a look here. So guys, 10 ml of, because for of gold solution is completely prevented by adding 0.25 gram of starch. All those who are watching, if you have solved this, do reply in the chat box. Let us solve it, guys. Very simple, guys. So for 100 ml, how much milligram, guys? 0.25 into 1000 milligram. Is that clear? Simply find out. For 10 ml, you'll get the answer. Okay, guys, this will get cancelled over here. Is that clear? How much it is coming out to be? Just simply multiply them. You will get the value as 25 milligram of starch. So this is the gold number, guys. Is it clear? Is it clear? Simply you have to keep it in your mind, guys. For 10 ml, how much we have to add? How much we are adding? 1 ml. For 100 ml, we will have to add how much? We will have to add 10 ml. So this will never, like, whenever the question will be there, this value, don't worry for this, because they are always going to add NaCl in that proportion only. For 10 ml we add 1 ml. For 100 ml we'll have to add how much? We'll have to add 10 ml. Is that clear? Is that clear, guys? Okay, guys, come on, have a look at the screen. If it is not clear, do reply in the chat box, and if it is clear, do answer in the chat box. Michael Jackson, how beta? How are you? And hello beta. Hello dear Michael Jackson, कैसे हो आप? चलिए चलिए guys, is that clear? If you, I hope there's no doubt till now in the chat box. That means there is no doubt. Okay, guys, so be very particular, guys. Gold number have always been asked. And one more thing, NEET. There was a question where the color change was also asked. The color changes from red to blue. Always remember, the color changes from red to blue. Okay, guys, red to blue. Always remember. So, guys, what are the uses of this protective action where a lyophilic salt protects? What is the uses? There are, so the uses are actually there in the form of picture on the screen. Ravi Meena is saying, ma'am, please explain again. Sure, beta. Let me cover this one which is there on the screen. After that, I will definitely repeat the previous question which I had explained just now. Guys, the uses of protective action of lyophilic salt is there on the screen. Can you see what? Protargyrol and argyrol. Protargol, the one is protargol, guys, and this is argyrol. What are these, guys? Yes. These are the silver salt. Just a sec. Let me take you back over here. These are silver salt, guys. Okay, protected by silver salt, protected by organic material. Organic material used in eye drop. Okay, argyrol and protargol. All clear? The second one, guys, gelatin. Gelatin is added. Gelatin is added to stabilize the extra booze in an ice cream recipe. Yes, guys, it is used. Gelatin is added in preparation of ice cream to protect the particle of ice. Okay, okay, guys, how it is done? Simply, gelatin is sprinkled on one into 1/3 cup of water. Let it absorb for 2 minutes. On low heat, stir until the gelatin is completely dissolved, and then whisk in cold alcohol if otherwise there is no need. Okay, simply whisk it. Strain into the chilled ice cream base or custard, and it is going to give you the extra boost, guys. Okay, okay, is that clear, guys? Come on. Yes, Ravi Meena, are you there on the screen? I am going to take you all guys back to the previous question, how this was solved. Let me clear the screen first of all. Okay, guys, see, it is very clear. Ravi Meena, yes, is saying yes ma'am, I'm there. So nice of you guys. 100 ml of gold solution requires how much of this is prevented by addition of 0.25 gram of starch. 0.25 gram of starch, but we always takes this in milligram. Protected salt is to be taken in milligram, guys. So find out the milligram. 0.25 into 1000 milligram of starch. All clear, guys? Now this is for 100 ml. How much for 10 ml will be then? 0.25 into 1000 upon 100 into 10. All clear, guys? All clear. Simply solve this. You will be getting 25 milligram of starch. So 25 milligram of starch. This is the gold number here. Is that clear, Ravi ji? Do reply in the chat box faster so that I can wind up. Or shall I explain you again? Ravi. Ravi is saying all clear, ma'am, with a wonderful, wonderful pyar wala sign. Thank you so much, beta. Love you, bacha. All those who are watching, if you have not liked the video so far, please do so. If you have not shared the video so far, please do so, guys. And thank you for watching, guys. And all those who have not subscribed the channel, let's start NEET UG in English. Do subscribe the channel and do press the bell icon as well. Do apply this referral code of mine in order to have not only this discounted prices but also to have some additional benefit coming from my side, guys. Come on, all those who have not liked the video so far, do so. Do share the video. Come on, guys. Ravi Meena, happy Diwali to you and you all those who are watching, guys. A very, very happy and safe Diwali. And yes, 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 a wonderful studies as well. Both celebration should go on, guys. Diwali celebration as well as study, because study will lead you for result celebration. Both should go parallel. Okay, in morning you should study for 6 hours. In evening, please enjoy Diwali with your family and friends, guys. Michael Jackson, hello beta. आज सिर्फ हाय हाय करोगी क्या? कुछ और नहीं बोलना. Michael Jackson is saying simply hi. Hello beta. Hi, I'm fine. Okay, guys. Okay. Thank you for watching, guys. All the very best to you once again.